If you want more cucumbers from your vine, two simple habits can really help. Most people think more vine growth means more fruit, but that is not always true. What you do early with the plant matters a lot. One of the best things you can do is pinch or cut the top of the cucumber vine when it reaches about 2 to 3 feet long. This may feel strange at first, but it helps the plant in a big way. Because when you remove the growing tip, the plant stops putting most of its energy into making the vine longer. Instead, it starts to grow side branches. These side branches are where more flowers appear, especially female flowers that turn into cucumbers. So instead of one long vine, you get a bushier plant with more growing points. That means more cucumbers in the long run. Next, another important trick is removing the first few baby cucumbers that appear on a young plant. It can be hard to do, but it really helps the plant grow stronger. When a young vine starts making fruit too early, it uses a lot of energy on those small cucumbers. That slows down root growth and limits how big the plant can become. If you remove those early cucumbers, the plant puts more effort into building strong roots, thick stems, and healthy leaves. Once the plant is stronger, it will produce more flowers and a much bigger harvest later. Think of it like letting the plant grow first, before asking it to carry heavy fruit. In the end, these two simple steps can make a big difference. You get a stronger vine, more flowers, and many more cucumbers over the whole season. When you look after your cucumber plants in this way, you will notice they stay greener and healthier for longer. A plant that is not overloaded early can also handle heat better and recover faster after watering or stress. Many gardeners skip these steps because they feel like they are losing fruit in the beginning. But in most cases, you are actually gaining much more later. A well-managed cucumber vine can keep producing for a longer time, sometimes even for several extra weeks if conditions are good. So instead of a short burst of cucumbers, you get a steady supply. That is what most home gardeners want from their vines. Careful, simple pruning and early fruit removal really shape how the plant behaves from the start. Even a small cucumber patch can give a surprisingly large harvest when you manage the vines properly.